Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, bienvenue. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing some curry shrimp fried rice. And for this recipe, I will be using jumbo size shrimp. Additionally, I'll be using green seasoning. And for curry powders, I have 3 different types. I have the Chief curry powder, Grace curry powder, and Blue Mountain Jamaican curry powder. For seasoning, I will be using salt, black pepper, garlic powder, dried parsley, smoked paprika, and some fish seasoning. If you have seafood seasoning, you can use that. And of course, my olive oil. Let's get right into seasoning. And first, I'm going in with that olive oil. Then I'm going to mix the curry powders together and just sprinkle it on there. Now we're going to leave some of the curry powder so that I can toast later on. Next, we're going to mix those dried seasonings and we're going to add them in the same fashion. And lastly, I'm going in with that green seasoning. Next, I'm just going to mix it all together to combine. And here it is all seasoned. I'm going to cover it with some plastic wrap for about 10 to 15. And now for the cooking process, we're going to start with some coconut oil. Once it fully melts, we're going to go in with that curry powder, just so we can give it a light toast. Now, once it's toasted, we're going to start going in with that seasoned shrimp. Now, for the shrimp, we're not going to cook it long. We're going to cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, because that residual heat in the end is going to complete the cooking process. So as you guys can see, I am now taking them out and placing them to a side. Next, I'm going in with some fresh seasoning, which includes onion, garlic, and bell peppers, and seasoning peppers. Once I have tossed these around, I go in with my parboiled rice. Now, I don't add any liquid immediately because I like my rice to toast. That way it absorbs all the flavors and the color. And once the rice is toasted, I go in with my coconut milk. Now, I don't go in with the entire can. What I do additionally is add the rest of the seasonings, and I also add the shrimp bouillon to some hot water. I mix that together and I add it to the rice. Now on low to medium heat, I allow the rice to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. And in the last 2 to 4 minutes of the rice being ready, I go ahead and I add some mixed veggies. Then I fluff the rice a bit, as you guys can see here. Once I'm done fluffing the rice, I start to go back in with that shrimp. Now I add it in the end because that residual heat, like I said, is going to complete the cooking of that shrimp, seeing that I only cooked it for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. And right now my stove is off and I'm just going to cover the pot and let the heat do its thing. And here you have it, guys, my beautiful pot of curry shrimp fried rice. Please let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I do look forward to seeing you guys tuned in to my next video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.